Look what I caught, a big fish.
That might have.
Should I put it on your head?
Yeah. No. No.
Oh, you have a fish on your head. You have a fish on your head.
No, that might have.
Let's see. You see? Now watch. Whoa, it's windy out. Put it on your head again. You gonna put it on?
Yeah.
Oh, it's windy out. 1, 2. Oh, it's windy.
Give me that, and then take it off you.
Okay.
I'm gonna fling it off you.
I'm gonna fling it off me. All right, it's on. Oh, it's windy out. Should I put it on again?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
One more time for fun.
Yeah. One more is